Goats.
Want to start off by showing you First Alert Viper radar. Very active weather at this hour, and we're going to hear more about this throughout the national news, I bet. We have tornado watches stretching from central Illinois all the way to the outskirts of Houston, Texas there. So these tornado watches are going to go for another few hours, and severe weather right now coming through Mississippi, heading through Alabama, central Tennessee, and Kentucky tonight with several tornado warnings right now. Back at here at home. Pretty much the opposite end of things. We are sitting here with pretty calm conditions, and we did get a little bit of some windy, wet weather on Sunday, but most of which heading into the mountains as expected. We're at 58 right now for Idaho Falls, 64 for Pocatello, 54 in Jackson, and light winds. But this will change. We do have some stormy weather coming into the northwest, and that's going to be happening as we get into the midweek. This big area of low pressure right now in the Gulf of Alaska. You see all that popcorn cloud cover? I call it popcorn cloud cover, but spotty cloud cover on the satellite loop here, that's an indication of cold air. And there is a push of cooler air coming into the west as we go through the next couple of days with a fairly potent cold front. Most of the moisture, however, is going to trail to the north of us into northern Idaho, Montana, and southern Canada. We're just going to get a few spotty showers. It's mostly wind and cooler temperatures in the forecast for our Wednesday. So tonight through tomorrow, it's actually looking to be fairly quiet. The winds do increase here for your Tuesday as this windy weather approaches. This cold front will be with us by the midday hour on Wednesday. Around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock Wednesday, we are looking for that cold front to start coming across central and southern Idaho, and that's going to drive in some very strong winds. Wednesday afternoon, some spotty showers. Very scattered showers, most of which hanging up into the high country, and there's a very low risk of seeing anything really wet in the Snake River Plain. You're going to keep most of the stuff around the Snake River Plain. And we clear out very quickly with a few passing clouds by Thursday. So I'm not looking for much moisture at all from this system on Wednesday, just more of a drop in temperatures and lots of wind. Lower 30s tonight for Rigby and Rexburg, 30 for Driggs, 23 for Island Park, the lower 20s there for Island Park. Upper 30s tonight for Pocatello, 39 in Burley, freezing for Lava Hot Springs, and 26 for Montpelier with the lower 30s across western Wyoming. Highs tomorrow, we are going to be warmer, and this is the warm ahead of the cold front. We're going to drop that warmer air ahead of the cold front, and so we're looking to be 10 degrees warmer tomorrow. 71 in Pocatello, 73 in Burley, 69 in Idaho Falls with the 62 in Jackson, 68 in St. Anthony, and 69 for Rexburg with the lower 70s in Salmon and Challis, upper 60s in Arco. So a very typical pattern here, the warm before the storm, and the cold front really cranks in for Wednesday and Thursday with the really strong winds getting us in for Wednesday. The wind will continue through Thursday with a drop in the temperatures, upper 50s. But look at this weekend ahead here. I'm already looking ahead to Saturday and Sunday. We're going to clear out nicely, very low risk for showers, and we're into the lower to mid 60s here for your Saturday and Sunday. We'll go to Pocatello, also looking at temperatures here, warming nicely for the weekend. But for the next couple of days, we're going to be in this transitional phase. Pocatello, 71 here for our Tuesday. It's going to be pretty nice here for tomorrow. Winds pick up for Wednesday. The cold front passes, low risk for showers, and temperatures falling into the upper 50s, lower 60s by Thursday. Same deal for Rexburg. Expected to see the drop in temperatures for Thursday and Friday, upper 50s, lower 60s. Saturday in Rexburg, partly sunny with a high of 60. Blackfoot will look for highs here into the 70 mark for tomorrow. Then we're into the lower 60s for Thursday. Then we start to see our temperatures recover by Saturday and Sunday as we head into next week there, with highs possibly getting back into the lower 70s by the middle of next week. Salmon, you do have some showers in your forecast, especially for central Idaho here for Wednesday and Thursday. Lower 60s for Wednesday, upper 50s on Thursday in Salmon, and a couple showers on Saturday. Jackson, I could see a few showers for you, but most of the showers towards Jackson will actually be more towards the national parks, maybe around the Driggs and Victor side. We could also see a bit of some light rain and snow, and temperatures this weekend in Jackson will be into the upper 50s, lower 60s. So some turbulent weather in the mountains with some scattered showers. I think we're getting mostly just wind and dropping temperatures for the midweek here for the plain.
And it's kind of that way over the weekend, too. It wasn't really too bad.
We got a tiny bit of rain in Idaho Falls, like in the middle of the night.
Oh, I missed it.
And most of us slept through the rain that came through as expected on Saturday night and Sunday morning.
All right, thank you, Michael.
Thank you.
Here's what we're working on for Local News 8 at 6. Gas is under $3.25 in Arco. Here in Idaho Falls and other parts of eastern Idaho, costs up to 30 cents more than that, even though it's more expensive for the stations in Arco to buy it. Local gas stations say their prices are higher because Idaho Falls is a bigger area. We'll see how the competition impacts prices.
Being a father just got a little bit